Okay, so let's talk about that is how to ask question in French. There are three methods. One is intonation, intonation. Second one is that is the ESCO method, and the third one is that is inversion method. Inversion. So first method is intonation. For example, if I ask to you, do you speak French? Do you speak French? So in that case, we can use three method. Intonation become that is subject come vous, the verb conjugation come parler, that you know être verb, and français, vous parlez français. So vous parlez français, do you speak French? That is, you are changing the tone of your voice. Vous parlez français, that is a raising tone, right? Vous parlez français. So it is a statement as well. If you are not using a raising tone, vous parlez français, you speak French. But vous parlez français, that become a question. Same like English, you speak French, you speak French. Clear?
Yeah.
You just put subject, then the verb conjugation, then the noun. Second method is called that is ask method. You just need to put ask in the beginning of the sentence and it's become a question. Est-ce que vous parlez français? Where est-ce que vous parlez français? Do you speak French? Meaning is same, only the method get changed. In that case, you need to put ask in the beginning of the sentence, right? And it's become a question. It doesn't have any particular meaning. It's just like we put in the beginning of the sentence to make a question. Meaning is same. Clear? So repeat after me. Est-ce que vous parlez français?
Est-ce que
Est-ce
vous
que vous
parlez
parlez
français?
français?
Yeah, this is a formal manner, or you can say in writing we use the ask vous parlez, ask method. In speaking, in speaking we use intonation method because here it's about the tone. Okay, and the third method is called okay. In the second method as well, suppose you are talking about ill, so in that case you can say ask s S. Now we can't put two words together, so we need to put L, apostrophe then L. Est-ce qu'il parle français, right? So does he speak French? Clear? Understood why we put here apostrophe? Because we
Because
can't
of if.
because we can't put two words together. So here we have na K, Q-U-E and il. So remove E and put apostrophe. That is the rule in French. We can't put two words together like J ho gaya, MA verb ho gaya. So that is same thing. Clear? So est-ce qu'il parle français? According to il, conjugation come E, right? Est-ce qu'il parle français? Suppose you talk about elle, so pronunciation come est-ce qu'elle. Répétez, est-ce qu'elle?
Est-ce qu'elle?
Est-ce qu'elle
Est-ce qu'elle parle français? Clear? Est-ce qu'elle parle français? So you can give reply, oui, elle parle français. Yes, she speaks French. So elle parle français. Oui, right? Now suppose you have that is this one, that is the third method. Okay, let's talk about the third method. Third method is inversion method. We change the place of the subject and the verb. Okay, I'll write this one here so that is easy. Inversion method like am I, like same like English. When we say am I, are we put the verb first, then the subject after that. Similarly here, parler come first, parler, and hyphen come then vous. Parlez-vous français? Clear? Parlez-vous français? So we call this method inversion method. We change the place of the subject and the verb, and in between we put hyphen. So they have same meaning, that is, vous parlez français? Est-ce que vous parlez français? Parlez-vous français? Clear? Three method. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No.
Now let's talk about, if we talk about il or elle, in that case, you can say parle, parle, then you need to put hyphen, you need to put T here, then il. Parle-t-il français? Now I need to teach you why we are putting here T in between. Like we can't put two words together, right? So just to avoid that thing, we put here T in between. Like ये E से end हो रहा है, ये I से start हो रहा है, right? So there are two words together and we can't put two words together. So for better pronunciation, we put T here, and to avoid that thing, we put T here. T का कोई meaning नहीं, just for a sentence structure, we put T. So pronunciation become parle-t-il. Répétez, parle-t-il français?
Parle
Parle
français.
In case of L, you can say parle tel. Tel का sound आ जाएगा parle tel. Parle tel français. Français, right? Parle tel français. Clear? Il के केस में masculine है, L means she. So person कैसे oui, elle parle français. Oui, il parle français. So clear? Till sound, tel sound. Any doubt?
वही बना ma'am, actually right now like my just connection got cut, so like please could you explain again the third part, like the
Yeah, एक second. Now, when we talk about third part, that is inversion method. Inversion, we change the place of the subject and the verb. So parler come first, vous come after that, and between we put hyphen. So parlez-vous français. Suppose we talk about third person singular, that is he. So here parle or il, like we can't put two words together. So in between we put t. So it's become parle-t-il français. In case of elle, parle-t-elle français. Clear? Because as per the rule, we can't put two words together. So just to avoid that, we put T here. Suppose if I ask, do they speak French? So do they के लिए क्या आएगा? Parle. एक second. P-A-R-L-E-N-T, right? Plural. And I-L-S. Here you can see that is it ends with consonant T and il start with a vowel. So there are no two vowels together, right? So we never put here T. But pronunciation T और I को एक साथ पढ़ेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा parle-t-il français. Parle-t-il français? Parle-t-elle français? Clear? Yeah. So, एक second again, I'll explain you. In French, there are three methods: intonation, ask method, and the another method is inversion. Like question is same, but we use different method. Vous parlez français? Est-ce que vous parlez français? Parlez-vous français? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, similarly, if you want, like like if I ask you, tu aimes chocolat? Tu aimes anything? Tu aimes like chocolate, or you can say tu aimes. Yeah, regarde, you know, regarde what?
to look at?
Regarde means, no, regarde, to look or to watch. It has two meaning. To look or to watch. So regarde la tele. Tele means television. So if I ask you the question, tu aimes regarder la tele? Do you like to watch the television? So this is intonation method. Okay? Tu aimes regarder la tele. Now both of you, all of you try ask and inversion both here. First ask, then inversion. Take your time.
S
S.
K S K kill regard play television.
Yeah. So est-ce que tu regardes? Est-ce que tu regardes? Tu
Regard
के साथ la tele, right? La tele. Okay, very good. Now the third method, inversion method.
Ma'am, are we not going to add aim? As
Here, no,
they-
ask is like ask you. This is like the ask method. So tu में कोई तो vowel तो है नहीं. Ask you regard la tele. Clear? Regarde, my mistake. MA verb use कर रहे हैं ना? One second, please. My mistake. Okay, here we are using MA verb as well, na? So here
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask QM. Regard, the second verb should be infinitive form. Regarde la tele. Okay, so ask QM regarde la tele. Clear? There are two verbs. Like here in this sentence, we are using two verbs. One is aimer, another one is regarde. The sentence is do you like to watch the television? So ask QM regarde la tele, right? Ask QM regarde la tele. Now, can you use the third method, inversion method?
M
You, right?
M
Tu. M-tu
M
regarde.
regard
La tele.
Right?
tele.
So
M
regarde
not tele.
So MQ regarde la tele. Very good. Now 1 more minute we have this exercise. Tell me if we change the subject as il. So try. Make a sentence as il regarde la tele. These two methods.
aim,
K S
uh,
K SQ L M regard they la
Correct.
tele
Correct. So repeat after me. S scale.
and
S scale.
skill.
S scale. S scale MA. S scale M. S scale M rigarde la tele. Right? S scale M rigarde la tele.
That's it.
Okay. Now the inversion method.
M
Aim,
M
aim will regarde la tele.
Yeah, here you need to put T as well, right? Because we can't put two vowels together. So two vowels like so M till regarde
la
M till regarde la tele. Clear? M till T is there because we can't put two vowels together, right? So these are the three methods. Easy.
Yes.
Similarly, suppose it's a
Yeah.
u abite vu, so abite पहले आ गया, वो बाद में आ गया. U abitiu, u abite vu, u abitil, u abiten. Suppose you are asking about he or she, कि where does she live? So you can say u means where, abit, inversion method, abit, and t come in between and l, right? U abitil, clear? U abitil. In case of il, that is abitil. In case of l, abitel, clear?
Then.
टिल और तेल का साउंड आएगा. Any doubt here?
Um,
Okay, so we finished this class here.